Hey friends, this is Paul, and I love the opportunity to share a pro tip with you. I've got gum on some shorts here that I was sitting on the beach the other day and apparently sat in some gum. And I was reading online to put these shorts in the freezer for a couple hours and then pick off the gum residue. Well, that just really wasn't cutting it. And then I read about lemon juice or white vinegar. Well, I don't have either of those things, and dish soap here just was not doing the trick. But I do have some Italian balsamic vinegar, and I put just a little bit of that on there. Oh shit, that's too much. Man, I could have. Anyway, so be careful you don't put too much on there. And then I just scrape that with my fingernail. Of course, an added benefit of this is that you can use your shorts or clothing as a salad bowl and then just put your lettuce right in there, maybe with some olive oil, and then have a nice cloth bowl to eat your salad out of. All right, now I'm going to hit that with some detergent and suds that up. That's great. All of that, all those little spots of gum are off of my shorts, finally. Do you guys enjoy this pro tip? Balsamic vinegar in a pinch. Remove gum residue from nice clothing that you're sitting on places in the summer. Post your comments below, and thanks for watching.